For this durian smoothie, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Brings out the flavor. 100% coconut water. Most durian recipes will ask for dairy milk. Yuck. Full of animal grossness. Anyways, saturated fat. This is 0 fat. And the coconut gives it a little bit of coconut flavor and some sweetness. 2 frozen bananas, previously frozen and in 1-inch chunks. Teaspoon of alcohol-free vanilla extract. 1 cup pineapple. And the last ingredient I'm going to get out is the durian, and I'm getting it out last because it is stinky. This is what the box looks like, and there's all different size pieces. I don't want a huge piece. I think I'll do this medium-sized one. Toss it in here. All right, let's take a spin on low. Let's see if I can smell it. Yep. A little less stinky now that it's mixed with all the other ingredients. It's actually pretty good. I think most people would like this. It tastes like pineapple with a little bit of durian. I would say if you have some almond milk, maybe toss a little bit of that in. But yeah, it's really good. I'll put exactly how I made this in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions and if you have any additional information you want to share about durian fruit. All right. Okay. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.